I'm back. Whoop. Girl, I'm back. I told y'all I was gonna wash my hair, so I figured I'd wash my hair the next day. And I was doing a little cleaning up and stuff like that. So now I'm putting some cream on my hands so my hands feel dry. I'm using this Baja Flor Elastic Cream. This is from Sol de Janeiro. It's the pink one. I got my little lashes. I put my little lashes on top. Okay, so I did a little cleaning up the living room, dining room, our bedroom. I'm not finished with the bedroom, child. I gotta hit that closet real quick, and I'm about to take all the winter clothes out the closet and put it in another closet, and just keep like summer one closet, winter another closet, and girl, anyway. But today I am going to curl my hair using my flat irons. These are the I think they're called T3. Make sure T3 Micro. I think they're called Micro. I don't know, girl. Let me clean these with some alcohol because they're dirty. Okay, now I'm just sitting at home. I could have been done sooner, but I was looking at videos, girl. Y'all know how it is when y'all looking at YouTube on your TV. If you don't know, yeah, you're looking at YouTube on your TV. I was looking at people that go on, what is it, cruises, you know, little accidents that happen when you take a cruise. Girl, I didn't know that all that stuff be going down on the cruise, child. But I was looking at it. I was looking at some crazy boy done jumped. Well, I won't call him crazy, but he had a he wasn't thinking. He jumped off the boat, the cruise ship. Yes, he did. You know, and most of the time, if you jump off the cruise ship, they are not gonna be able to save you. It's very, very slim. Very, like, trying to get through that. Very slim of you being saved on the cruise ship, because you know the cruise ship is like, it's sailing, and the boat just can't stop. So they have to call the Coast Guards, and girl, so much going on. But anyway, he wasn't saved. Then some grandfather had a little girl, and he dangled her off the cruise ship. He said he thought it was a glass something. Girl, I was like, oh my goodness, just to live with that. But anyway, yes, I was watching that, and I was watching different things about people diving in the ocean, and being taken by sharks and stuff. And then the last one was like people that work at SeaWorld, like the I can't think of the name of it, but you know, I'll put it on the screen because I can't think right now. But like the deep sea, not the deep sea divers, but the ones that do all the little tricks with the dolphins and whatnot. I didn't know that they had a lot of, I should have known, because you dealing with like, wow. But girl, one of the ladies had died, and I was like, okay, that's enough of that. It's just too much more be going on. So I had to switch up and look at something else. But yeah, that's what I was doing, cleaning up, watching that, and I'm here. I had to wash my hair, and yeah, all this gunk from just doing your hair, girl. You would think that I was working in the salon the way this white flat iron look. I think it comes in black, so it looks dark in here for some reason. I hope it's not too dark. But yeah, how y'all doing? What's going on with y'all? I'm about to flat iron my hair, put on some makeup, and look a little bit like something. So yeah, let's turn these on. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on to that dial. I usually leave these two open because I don't want to burn my hair out. You know how they go. I'll put this little purse. I got a lot going on. I have bags down here. I want to do a haul. I've been holding these bags for the longest, girl. And I want to do a haul. But every time I get the urge to want to do a haul, I find myself just chilling. So I'm gonna do better, y'all. So I'm going to curl my hair, and I'm gonna use this Marcel wax. A little bit of Marcel wax. The Marcel wax kind of helps my hair because I'm all natural. It helps it from like reverting back as fast. So I use that. And I'm going to use a little bit of this Mizani. This is the Thermo Smooth Shine Extend. Yeah. I wonder why it looks kind of weird looking. Okay. So I just spray a little bit of that on there. And this is the Shine Infused. I'll do that later. I don't want to put too much stuff on my head. But yeah, girl, so I'm going to show you guys. Hopefully I was able to show you my little Sephora haul. I have another Sephora haul and a Zara haul for y'all. Because I went to Zara. I wanted to show you guys these shoes that I purchased from Zara. And I liked them so much. They were like cute leopard flip-flops. And girl, again, I got bamboozled. I should have known by now to check the sizes. So when you go into Zara, if you buy shoes, check both of the shoes. If you try on one, you're like, oh, I can fit them. And you don't try on the other. 9 times out of 10, sometimes they don't be the right match. So one was a 40 and one was a 42. I was able to fit the 40, but it was just like a little bit hanging off. So I wanted the 42 just for comfort because it was a flip-flop. You know how that go. So yeah, so I just take a little bit of the oh, that's too much. I take a little bit of the Marcel and I just put it on like the roots of my hair. And then I comb chase it with the, well, I be trying to chase it, but you know how that go. So I don't know if I should do a quick, should I curl my hair? Maybe I should. I was gonna do like that flat look, but now I'm gonna speed it up because I know y'all don't feel like listening to me talk. I ain't got nothing to talk about. I just been working and I have the day off, so I'm thinking, why not film? I need to put something up. I need that filming. I know usually been working. curls, girl. I love a good curl. Yes. And it has body. I wash my hair with Alpha G shampoo, and I use the some kind of lip. What did I do? I use that conditioner from, I can't think of the name of it, but I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. That's the conditioner that I use, and while I was cleaning up, I just kept it on with a plastic bag on my head for probably an hour. I don't suggest you do that, but it just happened like that. Yeah, and then you can put a little, I can put a little what you call it, I can put a little gel right there. But so far I like how it turned out. That red would have popped for real. Yep, that red would have popped out, girl. Make sure I curl every piece. It's always like a curl that just don't want to act right. But yeah, girl, my hair's curled. I'm gonna put on me some makeup. I gotta turn this off really quick and put this away. I'm gonna clean up my desk because that's how my desk be getting messy. Alright, beauties. I hope the lighting isn't all that messed up. But anyway, I'm going to go in with the NU Yves Saint Laurent, her primer. Although I had micro shading, I would like to go back and get some more done, but probably not this year. Yeah, because with the micro shading, it kind of needs to be filled in like right here, and that's why I use a pencil, because it's areas where it needs to be filled in like right here. Yep. Would I recommend somebody getting it? I think so. I like the fact that you don't have to really do your brows if you don't want to, but there are going to be some areas that just you're gonna have to redo them or fill them in. Okay, so now I'm going to take Cookie, and that is from Too Faced. I'm just going to get a little bit on my brush and go underneath. I don't start with the front. I start with kind of like almost towards the front. And this just makes my brows look like they're real nice and cleaned up. I always get like a dense brush. This one is from Real Techniques, and I just buff it out. I just bring the color down like so, and I'm going to do the other side. A little bit of the P. Louise base, and I'm gonna put it on my lid because I'm going to probably put on just a little bit of eyeshadow. I wanted to go to Sephora. I was at Sephora and I wanted to get that OS pink powder, translucent powder, but they didn't have it at the one in Oak Brook, so they probably have it today, but I'm not going out there today. So I was thinking about just ordering it since Orland is closer. It's kind of late though. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of late. I don't think I'm going anywhere today, but yeah. So I just took my Huda Beauty powder and just get the oils and whatnot. So okay, I guess I'll play with this palette right here. This is the James Charles palette from Morphe. It's not my favorite, but I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna go in with, like, you know what, I need to give me a transition color. Let me see what the Rihanna. Remember this one from Rihanna? It's called Hibiscus Kiss. I'm gonna use this as like my transition. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. No. I'm gonna use a little bit of this caramel. This is like my go-to transition shade when I put on like a eyeshadow. And I'm gonna go in with this pink shade. Really not. It's not pigmented. Maybe I needed to do a bigger. I don't know. Girl, see, I put it on and it's just like real opaque. It's not pigmented like I like. You basically can see through. I don't like the way that looks. Okay, that ain't working out. So I'm gonna use this peachy color and put it on top. Maybe that'll work out. The only thing about this company, Belly, the brushes, is that they need one that's a little bit wider for people who have like large eyelids. This James Charles, I don't like it. I don't know. It's just not doing it for me. So I'm gonna put Max Rose. Is this Rose? Oh yeah, no, I can't do this. I'll put that on top. Okay, that's enough of that. I don't usually spend a lot of time on my eyeshadow because it'd be like basic. So I'm just gonna blend out the edges so it won't look too crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to apply, I'm going to apply some foundation. I went to Sephora, y'all. Check out my next video and you'll see what I picked up when I went to Sephora. Okay, so now we're going to put this on. I'm not going to put a lot because it don't take all of that. It don't. Face more this way. Put on the eyeshadow. I mean the concealer. So now I'm going to put it in the middle, like so. Give me a little highlight effect going on. Now I'm going to put the Huda Beauty, tap it and apply underneath. I bought some Anastasia bronzer powder. This is in mahogany. I don't know why it seemed like I had this already, but it wasn't red. I should have got the other one too. The other one, I can't even think of the name of it, but it looks like so hopefully it's not too red on my cheeks. And now we're going to go in with Dior. From Ulta, it's ColourPop and it's called the Boombox. That's my little highlight. It's real cute, especially like daytime party. It looks really, really cute. And I'm gonna put on my lashes and my lippy. Okay, y'all. I have to find my lippy. I think I put it in my purse. Okay. Guess I use this pencil. I'm gonna use some of this OS On Till Dawn. This is some good stuff. I like it. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with Gwen Stefani's Can't Stop Starving, Can't Stop Staring mascara. I like the way that looks. It lengthens the lashes. Well, you don't even need any lashes. I don't need to put on a lot because I'm gonna put some falsies on. I like the little ball at the end because you know you always do that. This is from Makeup Forever, and it is the Aqua Resist Color Ink. This is not my favorite. I really like the one from, I believe it's Wet n Wild, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see if I can find it in my bag. I usually keep like my makeup in here. Yep, it's by Milani. I'm sorry, it's by Milani, and it's the Hydro Fudge Black, and it's waterproof. It's matte. I like the matte. I don't like the shiny look on the lid. But yeah, and the liner that I use is from Sephora. It's the waterproof, and this is in the shade, let's see, it's the Jumbo Crayon, and I believe that, yeah, it's in turquoise. I just put that as a pop of color on my lid with MAC. Like that. This is Double Bling Extra Dimension Skin Finish. You can use any liner, I mean any highlighter, and that's what I did. All I need is some earrings on. Yep. And this is basically my look. Yeah, I'm gonna put on some earrings. Oh, I wanted to share with you all something that was sent to me in the mail from Press On Falsies Impress, and I'm gonna open it up and you will see what they sent me. So when you open it up, it looks like so. Bam, look at that, that's cute, right? Okay, let me show y'all really quick. So you just open it up and it says Press On Falsies. One step press on, go. One step press on and go lashes. No glue needed. First ever press on and go under lash application. It says no glue needed. You get secure 24-hour hold, no damage, natural lash, and easy removal. And this is by no other than Kiss. They always send me out some good goodies, so I want to share that with you all. And you have your different lash. You have the natural, voluminous, and the spiky. Let me bring it to y'all real close so that you guys can see. You might see this in your local Sephora, not Sephora, your local Ulta or Walgreens, CVS. But this is the end of this here vlog. I didn't really. Yep, this is the end of the vlog, and this is how my hair turned out. Thank you for watching. I will be coming back real soon to share with you all a haul. Bye.